Hello, my friend, and welcome back to our final video in the Getting Started Right series of how to send emails using ClickFunnels. In this video, we're going to be walking you through the automation tab on the condition that you do not have Actionetics. You can still run a campaign from within ClickFunnels right here underneath the automation tab. So I'm going to show you how that works. What you're going to do is you're going to hover over the ClickFunnels tab at the top. Go ahead and select the funnels option right below that. That's going to bring you into a list of funnels that you already have created. Here we'll just go ahead and go with our October 11th demonstration here. And then on this particular funnel, you'll notice it's just an opt-in funnel with a thank you page. Right here, we have an automation tab. If you open this up, you have an opportunity of sending out an email to the people who opt into this particular step of the funnel. Now, you can do an action, you can send an email, or you can send a text message from the automation tab. So to send an email, just simply select add a new email. Now there will be a slight differentiation in what you see here if you are not a user of Actionetics. One of the benefits of using Actionetics allows you the opportunity of having the email editor, which will give you access to, for example, as we can see here, let's go ahead and name this really quick. I'll just use Drew, and we'll go down to our condition right here. So the condition, this is actually going to be everyone. Some automation tabs have other conditions. For example, people who maybe saw something but didn't make a purchase. We can send a series to those individuals, maybe an abandoned cart email. Those can be some of the uses behind the conditions on other funnel steps. I'd encourage you to explore the automation tab on the different funnel steps, different page types, and so forth. So go ahead down here, we'll create this email, and you can see here how this works. We have a test email. This is the editor for the email. Now, it's important to understand that this editor, this email editor, is only available to you if you have Actionetics. Okay, so this gives you access to the editor. If you are using just the ClickFunnels plan, what you will see here instead of this particular editor where it's a drag and drop editor, very similar to our page builder inside of the ClickFunnels account there. What you're going to see is a WYSIWYG editor, which is basically what you see is what you get. It's a standard text editor. It is HTML compatible, so if you are familiar with HTML, you can style your emails using custom code. But in this particular case, we'll go ahead and save this. Now we have an email that is sitting right here. Now, if we wanted to delay this, say for example, somebody opts in, we have a option to send this immediately. So if we go here to edit, we have the ability to make some adjustments. You can see right here at the top, it says email delay. We can delay this by days, or we could delay this by hours. Let's say, for example, the individual was on our list for 1 hour, then this email would go out. You can see right here that we do have 1 hour. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. Explore a couple of these other actions as well, these tabs. So for example, if I wanted to add a new action to a automation on a funnel step, we could do that right here. We just simply name it. In this case, we're going to use the notify me option. And the condition on this one is also going to be everyone. Every single person who opts into this step, what they're going to experience is having their contact information being sent over to, for example, whoever it might be managing your account. So in this case, the action to do, we can add a person to a list if we already have one of those. So for example, the list that we created in the first video of the series, we can add an individual to that list. We can remove a person from a list. In this case, we're going to use the email notification. We can also add a tag or remove a tag from individuals here underneath automation. The email notification, if we wanted to add that, like we said, we're going to go right here and then basically just add an email address to this. You can also add multiple email addresses using a comma as the delimiter, or just doing it row by row by row. And that will give you the option of sending notifications out to individuals about certain actions being taken. These notifications would go to, for example, you or somebody who's managing the account profile. So hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you gain any clarity that might be required. So hopefully that helps, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next video when we start building out the actual funnel itself. So have a great day.